Oh, hey! Hello, boys and girls. Hello. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm cooking. And today I'm making a pizza. This is going to be a perfect pizza. Only the things I like will go on this pizza, but I need to roll out the pizza dough, and for that I need some flour. Hey, Steve! I can help! I can help! Yeah! Let's make pizza! Stop it! Oh, you naughty, naughty bird! Oh, Maggie! Oh, what a mess! Ow! Oh, Maggie, what a mess. Oh, and that's too much flour. Maggie, tidy up this mess now.
Sorry, abracadabra!
Oh, thank you, Maggie. Oh, that naughty, naughty bird drives me crazy. I only need just a little bit of flour so I can roll out the pizza dough. Yay! Oh, I like this bit. Yay! Hey, do you like making pizza? Yeah, I do. Oh, great, look, it's finished. Hey, I've made the perfect pizza base for my perfect pizza. Right, what should we put on first? Yeah, some tomato ketchup.
Hey, Steve! I can get it! I can get it!
No, Maggie, don't worry. I'll get it myself.
Oh!
Ketchup, ketchup, ketchup. Oh, hey, look, it's tomato ketchup. Do you like tomato ketchup? I do. Yay! Okay, let's put some tomato ketchup on the pizza. Oh, look! Wow! This isn't tomato ketchup. No, what is it? Oh, look! It's Maggie's magic dust. Great! Oh, and look, I've got some tomato ketchup. Let's put it on my pizza. Yay! Oh, I like tomato ketchup. Yay!
Hey! I'm going to help Steve make his pizza! And he likes chocolate! Yeah! Let's put some chocolate on Steve's pizza! Yeah!
Hey! Great! I finished! Super! Now, what shall I put on my perfect pizza next? It must be something that I like.
Hey, Steve! You like chocolate!
Maggie, that's crazy! Chocolate on a pizza? Oh, hey boys and girls, do you like chocolate? Yes? Then rub your tummies and you say, yes, I do. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. I like chocolate, but chocolate on a pizza? Chocolate and tomato ketchup? Do you like chocolate and tomato ketchup? I don't know. Let's find out. No, I don't like chocolate and tomato ketchup. Oh, that is not good. No. Do you like chocolate and tomato ketchup? No, I don't. Say it with me. Do you like chocolate and tomato ketchup? No, I don't. Chocolate doesn't belong on a pizza. That's just crazy. But what can I put on my pizza? Oh, hey, let's use Maggie's magic dust. Oh, I hope it's something that I like. Let's find out. Okay, here we go. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, look, hey, what is it? Yeah, it's cheese. And I like cheese. And I like cheese on a pizza. Oh, great.
Okay, what next? Oh, yeah! Steve likes bananas! Let's put a banana on his pizza! Hey! Great!
Oh, super! Yay! Finished! Oh, this looks great! So what's next for my perfect pizza? It must be something that I really like.
Try some bananas!
Hey, Maggie! What are you doing? Banana on a pizza? Wow! Hey, boys and girls, do you like bananas? Yeah, then say, yes, I do. Do you like banana? I like bananas too. But hey, do you like bananas on a pizza? Banana with cheese and ketchup? Oh. No, I don't. Oh, Maggie! Oh, banana with cheese and tomato ketchup is a bad idea. Oh, I don't like banana on a pizza. Do you like banana on a pizza? No, then say, no, I don't. Oh, I don't like banana on a pizza. Maggie is crazy. Oh, but hey, let's use Maggie's magic dust again. Okay, I hope it's something that I like. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, hey, look. Aha! It's ham! A ham and cheese pizza. Now that is a good idea. Let's put some ham on the pizza.
Uh-oh! Steve doesn't like banana on pizza, but he likes, marshmallows! Yeah! Let's put marshmallows on his pizza! Great!
I like ham. Hey, do you like ham? Yes, do you like ham? Then say, yes, I do. Do you like ham? Great, I like ham on a perfect pizza with cheese and tomato ketchup. But what shall I put on next?
Try some marshmallows! Yeah!
Not again! Oh, you naughty, naughty bird! Look! Marshmallows on a pizza? Oh, this is not my idea of a perfect pizza. No! Marshmallows on a pizza is a bad idea. Oh, and look! Maggie's nearly ruined my ham, cheese and tomato pizza. Oh, what a naughty, naughty bird. Oh, this pizza is nearly perfect. It just needs something like, olives. Let's use Maggie's magic dust for a few olives. Yay! Hey, look, look, look. What are they? Oh, they are olives. Oh, wow. I like olives. Do you like olives? Yes. Then say, yes, I do. If you don't like olives, say, no, I don't. Do you like olives? I love olives. Let's put them on my pizza.
Ooh! Ha-ha! Yogurt! I like yogurt! Do you like yogurt? Yeah! Steve likes yogurt! So let's put it on his pizza! Yeah!
And tomato pizza. Oh dear!
Try some yogurt! Yeah! You like yogurt?
Oh, naughty, naughty bird! Maggie's put yogurt on my pizza. Do you like yogurt? Yes, then say, yes, I do. Do you like yogurt? Yes, I do. But do you like yogurt on a pizza? Oh, no, I don't. Say that with me. Do you like yogurt on a pizza? No, I don't. Oh, my pizza is ruined. Oh, I have to start again. What a naughty, naughty bird. Hey, why don't you make your perfect pizza? And I hope there's no chocolate, no bananas, no marshmallows, and no yogurt on your perfect pizza. Hey. Oh,